Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Here we're taking a look at a 2020 Lincoln Navigator Reserve featured in black with a black interior. Under the hood sits a 3.5 liter twin turbo V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, power sunroof, power liftgate, backup camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have memory seating, powered seating as well as lumbar, a ton of different adjustable options as well as the massaging seats, powered windows and mirrors down below, 2 speakers and storage as well. And we can take a look at these seats. Hopping inside. Just to the left we have the lighting controls as well as the liftgate controls and adjustable pedals. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on the left side is our cruise control as well as the volume. And on the right we have our cluster as well as Bluetooth controls. Here is the cluster. And taking a look at the infotainment screen, starting off with the audio here. It comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. Also have the maps and navigation here. Of course, the heated steering wheel is right there as well. Just below that we have the vents. In the middle we have the climate controls with the heated and ventilated front seats as well as the volume. And in the middle here we have a wireless charging pad with 2 USB plugins, 2 cup holders, and we also have the different drive modes as well as the power park brake, parking assist, auto on and off, and all of those. Taking a look at the center console here, popping that open. You have storage up top as well as down below with a 12-volt plug-in as well. Up top is the rear view mirror. Just above that we have 2 dome lights as well as the power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. Color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, as well as a privacy tint on the rear windows, and we can make our way to the back. In the back, of course, we have the Lincoln badging, and we can double click to keep it open. We have a ton of storage space back here. Just to the left, you'll notice some power controls to drop the rear seats, making more storage. Light on the side for some added visibility. And we also have hidden storage down below as well. It is a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have the speakers up at the top, powered windows, storage and more speaker down below. Taking a look at these seats here, featured in black leather, and we can hop inside. Back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle here you'll find the rear climate control with rear heated seats. Down at the bottom we have 2 USB plugins, a 12-volt as well as a 3-prong outlet, 2 cup holders down below as well. Up top we have handles paired with a dome light and our rear vents matched on the other side. And in the middle here we have our own center console for the rear seats, 2 cup holders. We can control the volume from back here as well as the station, and the center console itself with storage and a light at the back and more storage down below. In the third row of seating we have vents on the roof, dome light in the middle. Here are the seats. We get a great view of the power sunroof, and here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2020 Lincoln Navigator Reserve. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.